Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation BMC is planning to cut down around 1700 trees for Jogeshwari Vikrohi Link Road JVLR widening project in Mumbai. The BMC has invited suggestions from the public and the citizens to chop the trees for the construction works for Metro 2B, which is DN Nagar Mandale corridor, and Metro 4, which is Wadala Thane corridor. In the proposal to cut down the trees, the civic body has said that it is planning to cut down 552 trees and transplant 1066 trees. As per reports, a garden department official said after receiving the suggestions and the objections, the proposal will be tabled in the upcoming tree authority meeting, which will be either be held this month or in January. The civic body proposal says that they are planning to chop 128 trees and transplant around 610 more trees for the JVR road widening work. Currently, the BMC is also trying to acquire the structure for the road winding work. For the Metro 2B corridor, the civic body has proposed to cut down 417 trees, transplant 388 trees and trim 38 trees at Chembur, Mandale and Kurla. The civic body has also suggested that to cut down 7 trees and transplant 169 more in Mulund for the construction of the Wadala Thane corridor. Around 200 trees will be transplanted for the Wadala Thane corridor. Bharatiya Janata Party corporator Abhijit Samant, who is also a member of the tree authority, said, "We are not against tree cutting for the development, but we must ensure that the trees survive and are maintained after transplantation. This is very important considering we are developing at the cost of trees." Earlier this month, the tree authority cleared a proposal to cut and transplant 1234 trees for various infrastructure projects. This also included Mumbai Transport Harbour like MTHL, the upcoming bridge at Mahalakshmi Station and the construction of Hancock Bridge at Sandhurst Road Station. Last year in 2019, the civic body had earmarked around 550 illegal residential commercial structures for demolition to carry out the widening of the JVLR. The new JVLR will be connected to SV Road and Lokhandwala in Andheri West. The extended road will have 2 more lanes and cut travel time between Lokhandwala to Eastern Express Highway. As per the reports, an official said that the civic body is ready to take suggestions from citizens, public representatives and environmentalists on this matter. We will be analyzing the suggestion on the review meetings, following which final call will be taken. Now the question is, what will happen if unnecessary and avoidable tree cutting continues? This move will increase the chances of more flooding in the already flood-prone Mumbai. This will result in other environmental hazards like rise in air pollution, increasing danger of flying birds and animal species. This will also lead to increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, rise in global warming, climate change and rise in sea levels. But you can stop all of this if you want by sending your suggestions at sg.gardens@mcgm.gov.in by 11th of December.